In this video, we'll solve this 3x3 superheroes puzzle cube. Hello everyone, this is a 3x3 picture cube. The method to solve it is similar to how you would solve a super cube. So if you have solved a super cube before, you will be able to solve any picture cubes. If not, you can first check out our super cube video tutorial by clicking the link on top, and I will also leave the link in the descriptions. Alright, in order to solve a picture cube, it is important that you remember the pictures on all 6 sides of the cube. One tip before you start scrambling a picture cube is to take a photo of each of the sides so that you can refer to them later if needed. Are you ready to solve a superhero puzzle cube? Let's assemble. Alright, let's take a look at our picture cube before we scramble it. So we have Thor on top since it has a yellow background, and at the opposite side we have Thanos, which has a greyish white background. Next, on the remaining 4 sides, we have Captain America with blue background, Doctor Strange with orange background, Hulk with green background, and lastly, Iron Man with red background. We will now scramble our puzzle cube. Alright, let's assemble our superheroes. We've successfully solved our superheroes puzzle cube. If you have done all the steps correctly, the centerpiece on Thor's picture should either be pointing in the correct direction or 180 degrees inverted, like so. If you have a case where this centerpiece is pointing 90 degrees away from the correct direction, that means one or some of your centerpieces are pointing incorrectly. So you will have to fix them first before solving the last layer. Alright, to rotate the centerpiece of our pause picture 180 degrees back to its correct directions, simply repeat this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U 5 times. Here's how it goes. With that, our superheroes puzzle cube is completely solved. Hope you liked this video. See you on our next video and bye for now.